In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can convert video to MP4 in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. From your desktop, you can open any of browser in order to convert video to MP4 and simply search for VLC Media Player. Search it. It will show you this official website of VLC. Click on this official download and simply click here to start download. It will be downloaded, and after downloading and installing this software, you can open it. Now on the left top side, you'll find here this media option. Click here and here you'll get this convert and share option. Click on that, click add and select a video that you want to convert into MP4. Open it and simply click on this convert and share. In this profile, you can select video H.264 MP4, and if you open up this toolbox, you'll find here these some more options to change the format of the video. And if you open this audio codec, you can check this keep original audio track and click save. Then you need to select destination file where you want to save this file. Click on this browse and select a folder and click save. Click on this start button and that's it. So that's the easiest process to convert video to MP4 in just few easy steps.